What's up everybody? I'm back with another video. It's been quite a long time, I guess, since I recorded a video like this. I remember picking up my camera, I think 3 months back. Today is a special day because I'm getting something new for Nora. Guess what? I mean, it's in the title, but still, guess what? So yeah, I'm getting a new exhaust. Yeah, so I'm getting it from Artingel. It's a couple of kilometers from here, so let's go. No rain as of now. It was raining in the morning. Alright, so I've been wanting to change the exhaust for quite a long time. My friend Manoj had changed it probably 1.5 years ago. I didn't want to get it. I never planned to get it, but right now, I don't know, for some reason I'm kind of interested. So I thought, why not? Just go for it. It's gonna be quite a task because I'll have to bring my old exhaust in here. I mean, with me back home. So I don't have a setup right now. I just finished my work and let's see if I can fit that in my backpack. I have a backpack with me, so hopefully that's possible. It feels good to be vlogging again. Feels really good to be vlogging again. I think it's been around 3 months since I've taken my GoPro. Yep, easily 3 months. What's going on right here? Oh my god, this is a highway. What are you doing, bro? Just making sure if my GoPro is working. It's been sitting there collecting dust for too much time right now, so we can consider this video as monsoon prep video because it is a monsoon prep video. Yeah, just doing all the things bit by bit for this year's monsoon ride. Last year's monsoon ride, I guess you guys watched it. If you haven't, just go watch it. It was quite nice. We went around Chikmagaluru. I don't even know, man. Like Gokarna, Sakleshpur and all those places. And this year we're planning a similar ride during July, same month, same thing, everything with Manoj. I don't know if Samath is in, but we still got time though, another month or so. I was thinking, why not rock an exhaust for this year's monsoon ride? And stock exhaust been kind of boring lately. Like, I need some kind of a change. At some point people would need some kind of a change. I've ridden Manoj's bike, obviously, with the Art of Motorcycle exhaust. And that's kind of really good. It's got a really nice bass to it. Alright, so I'm almost close to the store. Alright, there we go. Should be good. PoweRage and the exhaust Himalayan. Thank you. I don't know what you call this in Malayalam. I have no clue, but I know what this is. I've seen this before. Huh. Okay. Nora looks so good, man. Thanks, sir. Okay, I like the sound, that's good, but I don't seem to notice any kind of performance change. Like I said before, this doesn't offer performance changes. The sound is really good though. Okay, so I just stopped in the middle of the highway just to show you guys how this thing actually looks. So this is how it looks, pretty close and pretty similar to how the stock exhaust looks. This is a little bit smaller than that, and oh my god. I like it. Okay, so I'm riding in a proper city zone right now, and you guys might be wondering how the exhaust sounds in the city. Is it too loud? What I think is it's not that loud if you ride normally. If you're making aggressive accelerations, then obviously it's gonna be loud. That's what I notice right now. If you ride normally, like a decent boy, then it's not an issue, I guess. It just sounds like the stock exhaust, but with a bit of extra bass, that's all. I think I can ride without the DB killer, and especially this is Kerala, it's not Bangalore. Dudes over here are really blunt, so like if you want it to be less noisy, you can ride it that way. If you want it to be really loud, then you can just go chaos on your accelerator like that. But it's fun. What happened over here? Can we go inside? Oh, they closed it. That's the exhaust, and I'm loving it. It just looks exactly like the stock exhaust, but this kind of looks new because it's new. And this is a bit smaller in size compared to the stock one, but the sound, man, so cool. I think I'm gonna try this exhaust in the city for a couple of days, and then if it's too damn loud, then I'm gonna put in the DB killer. And oh man, that was a nice ride back home. Absolutely love the exhaust. I just need a couple of days to, you know, get used to how this feels and how it sounds and how I'm gonna deal with the cops. At this point, I'm really shipping this and I really love it. I think that's it for the video. And by the way, this costed about 7,700 rupees, including some fixing charge and something. I think it's time for me to get back home before it rains. I don't think it's gonna rain. There's some water stream over here. Ooh. Yo, that's cool. Yes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.